Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make nostalgic film sequence on CapCut apps. First, open CapCut and click New Project, and then add the video that you want to edit, and click Add. Now, I'm gonna adjust the speed first. Make it to 0.5 and make it smoother, faster process. Then hit OK. Okay, now your video gonna look like this. And now add effects, video effects. Go to retro and choose nostalgic lighting and then hit OK. Here's the before and here's the after. Adjust the duration and now add another effect, still in the retro, and then add the film sequence and then hit OK and adjust the duration of the effect. And here it is, the tutorial how to make a nostalgic film sequence on CapCut apps. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.